Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this Honda NC750X DCT, registered the 18th of December 2020, on a 20 plate with 11,614 miles and presented in Graphite Black, benefiting from full service history, Shad side panniers and Oxford heated grips. This example is currently fitted with an A2 restrictor kit, but can also be put back to full power. The NC750X is a super easy, no-thrills, affordable workhorse that gets the job done. The parallel twin thumps along effortlessly and is frugal with fuel. The chassis holds the road surprisingly well, they are super comfy regardless of your size, and also pillion-friendly so your nearest and dearest can travel with you in comfort wherever you go. The clever designers at Honda have also included a storage tank, spacious enough for a full-size helmet. This capable motorcycle has just been serviced by us and fitted with a new pair of tires and would leave us with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT and 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142 444 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.